every time I wipe the windows off. Well, I'm almost at the radio station, so that's good news. But I do know what white knuckle driving is now for sure. So here's the radio station. And yeah, I took the Kicksmobile, there it is. And I've been here for, let's see, I don't know, probably about 2 hours now. It's pretty deep. Parked the Kicksmobile there. That baby got me here, so I'm very grateful for it. So here we are during, what is this called? It's a big freaking snowstorm, I'll tell you that, okay? Blizzard, Bomnogenesis, Thunderdome, or whatever it is. Turn around. Look at this.
You got snow.
We got snow.
We got snow.
We got you snow right here.
Blowing and drifting.
Okay, so I'm here and I'm ready to go live on the air and enjoy an afternoon with you here during Snowmageddon 2017. Just getting my stuff together here. Got to be completely prepared. It is a blizzard after all. So, okay, we're ready. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm Linda G. See you on the radio.